This is a complete rebuild on a T4W deep hole. Coolers from a 2010, flushed and tested. New bean pump, new lubricator. Pretty much everything's new in the control panel, including the two spool for the control for the feed and the rotation. All new gauges, new 9-spool. All the hoses are going to be brand new. New funk box, new main pump, rebuilt double pump, rebuilt slow feed pump, brand new HR 2.5 1250 compressor, new fan motor, new fan blade. It'll have a Cummins QSK 750 horsepower on it. There'll be a storage bin here underneath the separator tank. Separator tank has a new element, of course. There'll be another enclosed toolbox here that'll house the batteries for the rig. New AMOT valve. The truck is a 1989 crane carrier, been retrofitted with a Cat C12 with 425 horsepower. All new wheels, all new tires. The interior's not done yet, but it'll have a new seat and all new panels inside. The tower is outside here. That'll have a 7-rod main carousel and a 4-rod side carousel. New pins, new bushings, new 70,000-pound cylinders, new chains, sprockets. And we redid everything on the tower.